Okay, I'm gonna show you a little quick section right quick. I get these carpets clean like this. I spray on my solution. Of course, you can see I spray this solution on everything. Alright, soak in there. And what I do is I get my brush, my little handy brush that I use all the time. And just rub the solution into the carpet. Now, being that I will come back and scrub these later, I'm just giving you a quick I get these clean. That's why I always use this brush first. I don't know what kind of brush it is. Like I said, I found it and it's been a jewel. Gets in the curves and corners. As you can see, it's starting to get it up. And like I said, I'm gonna come back and scrub this my normal way, and not to get anything else up that I need to get. And here you go. That's just a brush and a little solution. Let me vacuum it right quick, then I'll show you the end. Okay, there you go. That's just a brush and a vacuum. Now, later on, when I get the rest of the carpets done like this, I'll come back and scrub it. Okay, there you go. How to clean your carpets right quick.